amazing in the hand. I would compare it to Moratmil Classic. The handle shape is really good. It's just stainless, more robust. It will last longer and it's not scandy. So with feather sticking and other woodworking tasks, you have to make your angle a little bit different. But this is what I was looking for. Spear point blade, full flat grind, not that heavy, because there are a lot of good knives that they are heavy to carry. Good handle shape. This plastic is reliable, better than wood. No hot spots. Reverse grip. Amazing, very good purchase. I had it for 54 euros plus shipping with other stuff. It's amazing. I'm really happy. And back to the sheet. Ready to go.